Namaste my friends, this is Shalu and you are watching Hot Foodies Kitchen Living and Gardening. In this episode, I have brought a special curry recipe which is vegan, not only vegan but also gluten-free, nut-free and the best joy for the fasting days of Navratri. Let's begin with the recipe. This is the simplest recipe you can have for the curry. No need to add the yogurt. This is the best part. Let's start. To start with, we need lots of tomatoes. If you want your curry to taste good, you need lots of, not potatoes, tomatoes. Punjabi curry is loved for its tangy, spicy flavor and smooth, creamy texture. As I am preparing this curry without yogurt, I have to add some plant-based tanginess. For this, tomato serves as the best ingredient, which will not only enhance its flavor but will also make our vegan curry creamy and rich in color. Just add 1 tablespoon of oil in a deep pan. To this, add 1 kg of ripe and unripe chopped tomatoes, then turmeric powder, salt, chili powder, garam masala, and ginger is also added to this. Cook until the tomatoes are softened enough. I was left with just 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Now I have added water to it and I am using this paste only. Stir it very well. The tomatoes, if you can see, they are getting soft. Now this is one of the important ingredients for today's recipe. Take 4 medium-sized boiled potatoes and break this before adding to the tomatoes. You'll say, what? You're making vegan curry, adding tomatoes, potatoes, what is it? No. I am not at all compromising in this recipe's flavor. This will be the bestest, I must say, yes, this will be the best vegan curry you will ever taste. Try this recipe and thank me later. My dear viewers, I am taking out a little portion of this potato curry as I am making this video during Navratri's fast. I am going to make 3 different items from this potato curry and I am going to post those also. Up till now, I have shown you what I have done. Now I am going to share with you the final preparation of this vegan curry. Adding in 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. But if you are making this on regular days, try to add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. That will be the best option. And 1 teaspoon of this Fenugreek seeds. That is called methi dana in Hindi or methre in Punjabi. To this oil, now I have added cumin seeds because I am on fasting and dry chillies. Take a good amount of this potato curry and if you are following my recipe for the rest of the dishes, leave some of the potato curry for kachori and other dishes. Give this a good mix. Again, I am adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and degi mirch powder, which will give it a very good hue, salt, and the secret ingredient for today's recipe is the amaranth flour, which is called Rajgira flour. You may also add chestnut flour, which is Singhara flour. Take half a cup of this Rajgira flour, amaranth flour, and mix into this mixture. Give this a good mix, adding in around 1 liter of water. And you have to keep this first on a low flame. This flour has the tendency to form lumps, so avoid all the lumps. Keep stirring it for around just 2 minutes and then put it on high flame. Okay, keep stirring it. Now this is the very important ingredient. This is amchur, dry mango powder. I am adding this gradually into this curry. So around 2 tablespoons of amchur powder you will be needing for this curry recipe. After this, our curry will be ready to be served with kacharis. Do not miss the coming episodes on hot puris, kitchen living and gardening. I will be using this potato curry for more dishes. Within 5 minutes this curry will be ready. It is awesome, just awesome. You don't have to add the yogurt or any other chickpea flour. Some people, they cannot digest chickpea flour also. So this is the best option, the tastiest one, suitable for fasting days. My friends, to keep this recipe simple and subtle, I haven't cooked the pakodas, which we usually add in the Punjabi curry. But if you want to add the pakoras to this curry, you can prepare the pakoras, making smooth batter of either buckwheat flour, that is the kuttu flour, or this Rajgira, that is amaranth flour. This curry is almost ready. I am switching the stove off. It has become thick. Puri and chapati is ready. Curry is here. This is the mango ice cream I made just with coconut cream, mango pulp and palm sugar.